AI models made with curated data. You can run many of these models on your own PC using GPT-4 ALL or LM Studio. LM Studio only reads models. GPT-4 all lets you add your own document collections. Some, but not all, are available through Hugging Face. Smaller models, 3B, will run quite well on CPU of i7 or better class. For the 14B models, you should probably have a 16GB GPU. OpenAI now has a feature that lets you access your company data through their platform and lets them see everything as well. It's time to start using private AI systems. 1. Microsoft Phi Family, Phi 414B, General Purpose LLM, 14B parameters. Built on a blend of synthetic datasets, filtered public domain websites, and acquired academic books and Q&A data, emphasizes data quality and reasoning ability. Phi 4, Mini 3.8 billion. Smaller version trained with synthetic plus curated reasoning data. Targets efficient deployment and strong reasoning per token. Phi 4 reasoning / Phi 4 mini flash reasoning. Fine-tuned on supervised synthetic reasoning traces. Used for math, science, and chain of thought tasks. Phi 4 multimodal 5.6 billion 5.6B parameter model integrating text, vision, and speech. Trained on curated multimodal data, synthetic plus filtered web sources. 2. IBM Granite family, Granite 13, B version 1.0. Trained on IBM's curated pre-training dataset across multiple domains, internet, academic, code, legal, and finance. Emphasizes governance, content filtering, and duplication removal. Granite 4.0. 3B to 32B parameter models trained on approximately 22 trillion tokens. Data includes enterprise-focused, synthetic, and open-source datasets across text, code, math, and reasoning. Granite Vision 2B. Vision Language Foundation model for document and image understanding. Uses curated image plus text datasets, tables, charts, infographics, and synthetic augmentation. 3. Aleph Alpha German Web Dataset. Developed as a curated dataset for German language LLMS. Combines model-based filtering and synthetic data generation. Demonstrates curation as a systematic data pipeline process. 4. The Blue Scrubs version 1. Medical AI dataset. Approximately 25 billion tokens. Two-stage filtering, logistic regression classifier for medical relevance, plus LLM scoring for factual precision. Designed for trustworthy clinical language modeling. 5. Meta-Llama family, Llama 2. Sizes 7B/13, B/70B. Training data curated to remove privacy-sensitive or low-quality sites with upsampling of trustworthy sources. Code Llama, code-specialized variant. Adds curated code corpora and instruction tuning datasets. 6. Mosaic MLMPT7B. 7B parameter open source LLM. Trained on a Mosaic curated mix of open datasets and filtered corpora. Explicit aim to show performance gains from data curation. 7. Mistral 7. B Compact Open LLM. Uses well-filtered open web data with strong quality control filtering. No proprietary data. Demonstrates small model performance via high-quality data selection. 8. Cohere Command R series. Models optimized for retrieval, augmented generation, and enterprise tasks. Trained on multilingual, diverse, business-relevant, and high-trust data sources. Emphasizes data diversity and filtering. 9. The Pile Dataset, Eleuther AI. 886 gigabytes curated English text corpus combining books, Archive, Stack Exchange, Open Web Text, and more. serves as the canonical open curated training set for research models, e.g., GPT-NeoX, Biomed LM. 10. Biomed LM, 2.7 billion. Biomedical Domain LLM from Stanford-based research. Pre-trained on the pile and additional curated biomedical texts. Example of domain-specific curation for factual accuracy. 11. OpenELM Apple. Internal foundation model, early 2024. Uses licensed, curated, and proprietary datasets. Reflects Apple's privacy-driven curation philosophy. 12. Red Pajama Dataset. Open recreation of LLAMA's training corpus. Assembled from vetted public datasets to match quality and structure without violating license restrictions. Highlights community-driven data replication and filtering. 13. Tab PFN, foundation model for tabular prediction tasks. Pre-trained on approximately 130 million synthetically generated tabular datasets, simulating real-world data patterns. Purely curated synthetic data rather than scraped text. 14. DCLM Baseline, 7B Apple /DataComp. Research model designed to study data curation effects on LLM performance. Trained on DCLM baseline dataset. Carefully selected and filtered to test quality over quantity principles. 15. Seismic Foundation Model SFM. Geophysics Domain Foundation Model uses a carefully curated dataset of 2.28 million seismic images drawn from global 3D seismic volumes. Example of domain-specific curation beyond text. Summary insights. Common pattern. Smaller or mid-sized models now outperform older, larger ones by prioritizing curated synthetic or domain-specific datasets. Curation methods include data source filtering, human LLM scoring, governance reviews, deduplication, domain classification, and synthetic augmentation. Domains benefiting most enterprise, IBM Granite, reasoning, Microsoft Phi, healthcare, Blue Scrubs V1, Biomed LM, Code, Code Llama, Granite Code, Tabular, Tab PFN. Key principle: quality, diversity, and trustworthiness of training data increasingly matter more than raw scale.